preparing something with incredible flavor and texture, and of course in your own kitchen is always a great idea. Well, here at Aside Guy Cooks, I have a perfect recipe for you with Chocolate Pecan Praline Cake. So let's get started. Let's make pecan praline topping. Now let's combine the wet and dry ingredients. Butter makes everything taste better. Time to build the cake. Set your timer for 30 minutes. And as always, ovens do vary. Pralines originated in 17th century France and evolved into distinct confections in Europe and the American South. The original recipe featured almonds and caramelized sugar, while the American version uses pecans and cream. In Europe, the term praline refers to smooth paste made from ground nuts and chocolate, commonly used as bonbon filling. The American version is common in Creole cuisines and is widely available in New Orleans as a regional product. The cake layers look great right out of the oven. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Let's get a portion on a plate. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite. Wow, this is a rich, moist chocolate cake topped with luscious pecan pralines that are buttery, crunchy, and absolutely irresistible. Whether you're baking for a dinner gathering, special celebration, or just craving something sweet, this cake delivers bold flavor and stunning presentation. Everyone at your table will absolutely love it. Leave a comment and or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Now that is one incredible fall treat. Stay with us. Watch the next videos.